Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this diagnostic presentation on DTC B2983, indicating an issue with the recirculation control motor in the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. This error code signals that there is a problem within the recirculation control motor circuit, linkage, door, or motor itself. The climate control unit, a critical component responsible for managing the vehicle's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system, detects when input voltage from the recirculation control motor falls outside its expected range. When this occurs, the climate control unit registers an abnormality and stores the DTC for further troubleshooting. Understanding and addressing this error is essential for maintaining efficient climate control within the vehicle. Components involved in this process include the recirculation control motor itself, located within the HVAC system, and the climate control unit, which is typically found in the dashboard area. Together, these components ensure that you receive the desired airflow and temperature within the cabin. The error represented by DTC B2983 revolves around the recirculation control motor. This motor plays a vital role in managing the flow of air within the vehicle's cabin, particularly by allowing or preventing outside air from entering the system. Its correct functioning is crucial for achieving desired climate settings. The climate control unit, which oversees the operation of the HVAC system, monitors the input voltage from this motor. If the voltage does not meet designated specifications, the climate control unit identifies this as an abnormal condition, hence triggering the storage of DTC B2983. This can lead to improper climate adjustments in the vehicle and may affect air quality and temperature regulation. Therefore, troubleshooting this error is key to ensuring optimal performance of the vehicle's HVAC system. Several possible causes may lead to DTC B2983. Firstly, a faulty recirculation control motor could be the primary issue. This motor can experience wear, internal failure, or electrical malfunctions. Secondly, wiring issues, such as damaged or shorted circuits in the control motor wiring, can disrupt the proper function of the circuit, leading to the error code being stored. Lastly, the climate control unit itself may be defective. If other components check out, this control unit might be the source of the problem. Each of these causes can lead to improper air circulation, impacting the overall performance of the vehicle's heating and cooling systems. Proper identification of the root cause is crucial for an effective repair, ensuring that the vehicle maintains comfortable climate conditions for passengers. Symptoms associated with DTC B2983 often include diminished performance of the HVAC system, which might lead to inadequate heating or cooling inside the cabin. Additionally, drivers might hear unusual sounds emanating from the HVAC system, signaling potential mechanical failure in the recirculation control components. Another likely symptom is the failure of the recirculation function itself. This may leave the vehicle's interior vulnerable to outside air quality conditions, impacting overall comfort and climate control. Recognizing these symptoms early is essential for timely intervention, aiming to restore proper operation and enhance the driving experience. If not addressed, these symptoms can lead to greater issues within the HVAC system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B2983 involves preparing the vehicle for inspection. Start by turning the vehicle to on mode without starting the engine, as this allows the electronic systems to initialize. It's crucial to utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to perform a self-diagnostic function on the climate control unit. This system will check various subsystems, identifying any faults related to DTC B2983. The HDS provides a comprehensive overview of potential error codes that may offer clues as to whether the recirculation control motor, external circuits, or climate control unit itself is malfunctioning. Ensuring that all components are operating normally at this stage is critical prior to more invasive diagnostics. The second step involves direct inspection of the recirculation control motor and external circuits. This includes performing the recirculation control motor test, which assesses the motor's function and its ability to respond appropriately to input signals. You should also inspect the MREC, which pertains to the recirculation control circuits, and the MFRS, which relates to additional control circuits. Look for signs of wear, fraying, or damage to the wiring that connects these components. If any abnormalities are detected during this inspection, they could indicate electrical issues, such as open or short circuits that directly affect the motor's operation. It's essential to follow the proper testing procedures to ensure no errors are overlooked. In this step, you will need to connect the climate control unit and conduct a circuit inspection to understand the integrity of the circuits involved further. The inspection should include checking the resistance values between the MREC and MFRS circuits while ensuring that the vehicle remains in the off state. Specifically, you should observe that there is less than 1 ohm of resistance between both circuits when functioning correctly. If the resistance is higher, or if there are any readings outside this range, it suggests there is a fault within the wiring. Circuit integrity is paramount for the HVAC system. A compromised circuit can lead to the ineffective operation of the recirculation motor, confirming why this step is crucial in your diagnostic process. The fourth troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting for shorted circuits that may be affecting the recirculation control motor. With the climate control unit and recirculation control motor connectors disconnected, inspect the MREC and MRSR circuits for any shorts to ground. Ideally, measurements should indicate more than 1 megaohm MOM resistance, which confirms that the circuits are not shorted. If either reading falls below this threshold, it indicates a significant issue where the circuits are improperly interfacing with ground. This can jeopardize the performance of both the recirculation control motor and the climate control unit. The objective here is to verify that each component functions correctly without interference caused by shorts in the electrical system. In the final troubleshooting step, evaluate the climate control unit's functionality. If earlier tests indicated that other components, such as the recirculation control motor and associated wiring, are functioning normally, it's likely that the climate control unit itself is at fault. Conduct a thorough assessment of the unit, checking for known defects or operational failures that would lead to the DTC being stored. Isolating the climate control unit as the faulty component is crucial. Fixing or replacing it can restore full functionality to the HVAC system. Remember, each test and evaluation helps narrow down the sources of the issue, ensuring efficient resolution and vehicle reliability. Once repairs have been executed based on the previous troubleshooting steps, it's vital to conduct a final repair verification. Start by clearing the stored DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the system and remove any error codes. Following this, conduct a thorough test of the HVAC system to ensure it functions as intended. Observing the system should confirm normal operation, allowing the recirculation functionality to engage and disengage appropriately. It's crucial to verify all components are operating within their specified ranges without triggering any new diagnostic trouble codes. This final step is essential to ensure that the repairs successfully address the issues initially presented by DTC B2983. While the diagnostic process for DTC B2983 helps in correcting current issues, preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding future problems. regular system checks of the HVAC components should be performed, ensuring the recirculation control motor remains in good working order. Regularly inspecting the motor and associated wiring can help identify wear and tear before they lead to failures. Additionally, maintaining other HVAC components ensures optimal functioning during extreme climate conditions. Such proactive measures not only enhance the longevity of the system, but also maintain the comfort and safety of passengers. Incorporating routine checks within a maintenance schedule ensures reliable operation over the lifespan of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding DTC B2983 is essential for diagnosing and repairing the problems associated with the recirculation control motor in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. By following a systematic troubleshooting approach, technicians can effectively pinpoint the cause of the error and implement necessary repairs. Identifying whether the issue lies with the motor, wiring, or climate control unit is crucial for resolution. Furthermore, preventive maintenance plays an indispensable role in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the HVAC system by catching issues early. It's vital to keep the climate control systems well maintained for a comfortable driving experience. Armed with this knowledge, you can tackle DTC B2983 confidently, ensuring your vehicle operates at its best. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.